Hi, this is Muhammad Rafiq. Welcome to my tech channel. If you new here, make sure click that subscribe button and enable bell icon for getting notifications for my future video uploads. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm just going to unboxing the Segway Ninebot electric scooter. So this scooter I just bought for my job purpose, and I'm living nearby my workplace. So this scooter help for me to small distance commute. This electric scooter I just ordered through online Amazon.a. Link in video description. There was some offer on Amazon.a, so I got some discount on this product. And the next day I received my shipment. So I just collecting the shipment from delivery person. You can see it. It is a huge box. My son is following me. Let us start unboxing the box. I just started opening the box. Yeah, this box is opened. And you can see the electric scooter there on the top of the box. Now let us see what all inside the box. You can see there is some small plastic cover. Inside there is user manual and tube for air filling and screws and screwdriver. That's it. And scooter is here. Let me check if anything else there. Yeah, the scooter charger is there, charger adapter. And the power cable also here for charger. Okay. Yeah, now I will take the scooter. It's a little bit heavy. Okay, now the box is empty. You can see it. Now let us see how to set up the scooter. I just remove the covers from the scooter. And you can see the handlebar is not yet fixed. And now just bring up the bar and you have to lock it here like this. After that, just you have to put the handlebar on this bar like this. After that, you have to take the screws from the cover and tighten it. You need 4 screws for this one. And the other side also you have to tighten with the screws. Now let us start the scooter. For that, just press on power button, and you can see it's switched on, and you can hear that beep sound. That means this need to activate. Now let us see how to activate the scooter. For that, just scan QR code from the manual, and it will go to the Apple Store or Play Store. Then you have to download Segway Ninebot application. Now the application is started downloading. Now the application is downloaded. After that, just open it. Click agree. Click OK. Click allow. Then click on register, and you have to enter your email address here. And click on send code. And you will get the one OTP to your email address that you have to enter here. And enter your password, which is you want to use in your account. Now you have to enter your nickname here. Click on login. So that name already exists, so I have to change that name. I will enter another name here. Click on login. Yeah. Now the login okay. After that, just click on search vehicle. And you can see the vehicle is detected. Just click on the arrow. And on the scooter, just press the power button once for pairing the vehicle. Now the vehicle is paired. After that, it's checking for update, the firmware update. There is update available. Just click on the update. Now the firmware is updating to the latest version. You can see the firmware is updated. After that, just try to log in again for activating the device. First it will show the riding safety video that you have to watch. Click OK and it will enter to the application homepage, and under device option you can see all the scooter details, which is kilometer, battery percentage and available kilometer. Under moments option you can see the Segway community related posts, and if you click me option, there you can see the username details. Also you can record your first ride. For that, just click on go. That will record your ride. Now let us see the functions. There is a brake on left hand, and there is 3 mode, which is eco, normal and sport. And there is one small bell on left side bar, and the accelerator on right side bar. Now let us see how to fold the scooter. For that, just unlock the lever and just bring down the handlebar, and you can lock the handlebar there, and after that you can take the vehicle like this. It is not that much heavy. And for tires, both front and back tires are 10-inch, and front tire there is electric brake, and back tire there is drum brake. The charging port is here, you can see it, and the battery is below that standing part. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. If this video was helpful for you, please like the video, and if you have any queries, please comment below the video. I will look into it.